The organization is called VELA, which in Spanish means candle, and its mission is to light the way for parents of children with disabilities to connect with one another.
They don't leave you alone. They always look for a way to help you. Sometimes I call them crying, saying that school doesn't listen to me, and they say, no, we're going to do this. They are my support group. They are my strength to continue.
When Fabiola's son was 4 years old, she came to the United States from central Mexico to get help for his disabilities. He had an enlarged spleen, developmental delays, and ADHD.
The lack of disability information in the community is what makes us look a little bit different to society. It's like when they see my child, they say, why do you have those headphones? Why do you have those machines in your stomach? And then he starts to feel frustrated.
She had a hard time navigating the health system until she found VELA.
But you also need to learn how to take care of yourself while you're going through this experience. And a big part of doing that is meeting other people that you can sit with, that can look you in the eye and say, me too.
Founded in 2010, VELA serves about 1,500 families annually, helping to close a significant gap in healthcare for Latinos. Founder Maria Hernandez believes part of the problem in finding good care stems from stigmas surrounding immigrant families.
Because we work with a large immigrant population, we have witnessed a lot of the differences right across what maybe services are available for one child and not for another child, just based on language and culture, and also just based on resources.
MAYRA, a mother of twin girls, has witnessed this discrimination firsthand.
Sometimes, when the twins were babies, the pediatrician demanded us to speak English. It was frustrating for us. We felt discriminated because he's telling us, speak English. Why don't you speak English? The next time, I want you to speak English.
When a child is experiencing developmental difficulties, it can be challenging for parents to navigate the world of diagnoses and doctor's appointments. VELA hopes to provide education and guidance for parents to best advocate for their child. When families arrive at VELA, they assemble a binder with documents and information about their child's medical history.
And then that becomes a binder that they utilize with all of their providers to really be taken more seriously, because they're the #1 experts on their child. And so that becomes a physical representation of that they are the holders of the information.
Along with this toolkit, parents also learn how to understand complicated paperwork, ask doctors the right questions, and take care of their own health while caring for their children. Hernandez sees how this program changes families' lives.
The thing that motivates me is to watch them physically, emotionally, mentally transform into feeling powerful. And as they're going through the transformation, what happens to all of our families is as soon as the family feels like they have what they need, their immediate next question is, how do I do this for someone else?
In Austin, Melanie Porter, Cronkite News.